Here I have Realme phone, and let me show you how to set up the customized text on your always on display. So let me show you how to set up the customized text on your lock screen. Let's begin. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's open and unlock your device. Here let's open the list of all apps and select settings. From list of settings, let's choose here wallpaper and style. Tap turn screen off here in that corner. Let me do it again here. And let's make always on display enabled. And here you can personalize the always on display. You can choose Bitmoji, custom patterns, and here you can also choose the text or text and image. Let me just select only text. Let's just, for example, enter here the following text. WhatsApp. Alright. You can select the color of the text size, the text weight. You can also select the alignment. Let me make it center, the character spacing, the line spacing, so you can set up your text in your own way. Let's just tap apply. And now when you lock your device, you will see your message right here. Alright, and as I said previously, you can also select here the text and image if you would like to, so you can combine and select some items and select your image here, but in my case let me keep only the text. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.